how to create and use live stickers on your iPhone. To create new live stickers on your iPhone, first of all, launch your photos. From there, choose any photo that you want a live sticker of. For now, I'm choosing this one. Now, simply select the picture and there you will see a pop-up. From there, select Add Sticker. Now, as you can see, stickers has been added. Now what you can do is simply open the messages and then paste or simply hit on the plus icon and go to the stickers and send that sticker to the particular person. In this way, you can easily create and use live stickers on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.